What if your sunglasses could take photos, record videos, answer phone calls, translate languages, recognize objects, and even respond to your voice? It sounds like something from a science fiction movie. But today, we're checking out the 2026 AI smart glasses, a lightweight wearable gadget that combines an HD camera, AI features, Bluetooth calling, translation, and voice assistant technology, all inside a pair of stylish glasses. Are these smart glasses truly useful, or are they just another tech gimmick? Let's find out. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Caring Guy. If you enjoy discovering the latest smart gadgets, wearable technology, drones, and honest product reviews, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Now, let's see what these AI smart glasses can really do. First impressions are surprisingly positive. Unlike bulky smart glasses from a few years ago, these have a modern sunglasses-style design that doesn't immediately look like wearable technology. The frame is made from eco-friendly PC material and weighs only about 38 grams, making it comfortable for extended use. Whether you're walking around the city, traveling, cycling, or simply enjoying the outdoors, they look much closer to regular sunglasses than many wearable cameras. Charging is handled through a convenient USB Type-C connection. These smart glasses include a built-in camera designed for quick first-person capture. According to the product listing, they support photo capture, video recording, audio recording. The listing also mentions an 8K camera alongside hardware specifications that indicate 720p H.264 video encoding, 1280 by 720 at 15 FPS, and an 800W or 8 megapixel camera sensor. These specifications don't necessarily mean the glasses record native 8K video, so it's worth checking real-world sample footage before purchasing. The biggest advantage isn't maximum resolution, it's convenience. Instead of holding a phone, you simply wear the glasses and capture your perspective naturally. Perfect for travel, walking, cycling, outdoor adventures, daily vlogs, hands-free memories. This is where these glasses become much more interesting. Besides acting as a wearable camera, they also include several AI-powered functions. You can access an AI voice assistant to perform supported tasks hands-free. The glasses also support AI translation across multiple languages, making them useful for travelers or international conversations. Another interesting feature is object recognition, allowing the companion app to identify supported objects using the camera. Keep in mind that the quality and accuracy of AI features depend on the companion software, internet connection where required, and future software updates. The glasses support Bluetooth 5.4, providing a more efficient wireless connection with compatible smartphones. Once paired, you can answer phone calls, control music playback, receive notification sounds, use touch controls, stay connected without constantly reaching for your phone. For people who enjoy walking or commuting, this can make daily use much more convenient. Language translation is one of the standout features. Supported translation languages include English, Chinese, German, Spanish, French, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, Russian, Swedish, and several others. Combined with the companion mobile app, these glasses can help make communication easier while traveling. As with any translation tool, results may vary depending on speech clarity, accents, and language support.
The companion app supports a wide range of languages, including English, Spanish, French, German, Arabic, Japanese, Korean, Thai, Vietnamese, Hindi, Russian, Portuguese, Chinese, and many more. Compatibility includes Android 9.0 and newer, iPhone running iOS 10 or later. Wireless communication uses Bluetooth 5.4 together with Wi-Fi 6 for transferring photos and videos.
power comes from a 290 milliampere polymer battery. According to the manufacturer, the battery uses premium cobalt cells designed to maintain approximately 93 to 96% capacity after around 300 charging cycles. Battery life naturally depends on how you use the glasses. Continuous video recording will consume power faster than occasional photos or Bluetooth audio. Other useful functions include touch controls, voice assistant, Bluetooth music control, photo capture, video recording, audio recording, notification alerts, indicator lights, image download, video download, wireless connectivity. Altogether, these features make the glasses much more than a simple wearable camera.
Here's what impressed me. Stylish sunglasses design? Very lightweight at only 38 grams. Built-in wearable camera? AI translation support. Bluetooth calling. Music controls? Wi-Fi file transfer. Type-C charging? Broad language support.
There are also a few things to consider. The advertised 8K branding doesn't align with the listed 720p video encoding specifications, so buyers should verify the actual recording quality. AI features may require the companion app and, in some cases, an internet connection. Battery life varies significantly depending on camera and wireless usage. These glasses are best suited for casual recording rather than replacing a dedicated action camera. Overall, the 2026 AI smart glasses offer an interesting blend of wearable technology and everyday convenience. Their biggest strengths are portability, hands-free operation, AI-assisted features, Bluetooth connectivity, and first-person recording. If you're looking for stylish smart glasses that combine wearable photography, voice assistance, music control, Mackenzie, and translation in one device, they're certainly worth considering. Just be sure to verify the real-world camera performance and AI capabilities before purchasing, as actual results can vary by firmware, app version, and usage conditions.
So, would you wear AI smart glasses like these? Or would you still prefer carrying your smartphone? Tell us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more smart gadgets, drones, AI technology, and wearable devices here on Caring Guy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.